founded in 1113, combined the tasks of defending Crusader territory and caring for the sick? Gerard.
What are the Knights Templar?
No. Rachel.
Who are the Knights of Columbus?
No. Adrienne.
Who are the Knights of the Red Cross?
No. Who are the Knights Hospitallers or the Knights of Malta? No harm, no foul on that one. You all lost the same amount, but Gerard, you pick again.
Crusaders for 2,000, please.
After Crusaders captured this city in 1098, they found the relic called the Holy Lance, though not the Holy Hand Grenade. Rachel?
What is Antioch?
That's it.
From C to D, 400.
Another way of saying 10 times 10 times 10 is 10 this. Adrienne.
What is cubed?
Good.
Television, 1200.
In the 1975 final episode of this series, Felix moved out to remarry his ex-wife. Rachel.
What is The Odd Couple?
Good.
From C to D, 800.
Ambrose Bierce defined this as one who, in a perilous emergency, thinks with his legs. Rachel.
What is a coward?
Yeah.